you guys, welcome back to my channel for another quarantine vlog. I have never done one of those before, but here we are. Crazy times that we are in, but I wanted to film a vlog for you guys today. I wanted to do a little Rae Dunn haul for you guys to share with you the things that I've gotten. Within the past few weeks, I have not filmed a Rae Dunn haul in a very long time, at least it feels like to me. So I thought I would go ahead and do so in today's video. I don't have very much stuff. I actually have way more stuff for other people that I will be sharing with you guys as well, just because I did pick all of that stuff up. So it's just sitting here, so I'm gonna share that with you guys. I am very excited about one of the things that I got because it's been on my ISO. It is a Christmas item. So stinking excited. I'm probably gonna post on my Instagram here in a second, so if you guys don't follow me on there, definitely do so. I post all of my like Rae Dunn finds first on my stories over there, and I'm also doing monthly giveaways for the rest of the month. So today is actually day 8 of being unemployed and being in quarantine. So the governor of Colorado actually put a stay-at-home order. So that happened, I wanna say 2 days ago. And it didn't really change much, to be honest, just pretty much closed all the businesses that weren't closed already. But I just thought it would be kind of fun to kind of document these times, even though it is a crazy time, but to just kind of look back and remember this crazy quarantine. But I did just get back from my mom's house because I wanted to get her out of the house because she has been stuck in the house for the past week. And I actually went to our local taco truck and I got some tacos. My mom actually didn't get any, but I got some tacos and wanted to support them. So I think me and the dogs are just gonna hang out here the rest of the night. It's kind of gloomy outside. It was snowing / raining on my way home. So I think we're gonna lay down and watch some All-American and cuddle up in bed. I do wanna start, is it Tiger King or whatever that show is on Netflix? Me and my mom just watched the trailer for that on YouTube and it looks absolutely crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Rae Dunn haul. I also wanted to share with you a package that I got in the mail as well. And then I will also be organizing my junk drawer, which is back here. I will be organizing that at some point. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the package that I got in the mail and my Rae Dunn haul. So this is the package that I got in the mail from Good Mood Bracelets. They have some really pretty crystal bracelets that they sell on their website. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I got the aquamarine one, the amethyst, rose quartz, and black tourmaline. So I'm just gonna show you guys them individually so you can really get a close-up view and see exactly what they look like. So the aquamarine helps reduce stress, release anger, and balance your emotions. This definitely would come in handy, especially right now. There's a lot of stress and different emotions going on. The back of these bracelets is really nice because you can adjust them to however big or small you want them. It also has a little more explanation on the back of the card if you did want to know more about what exactly it is. Next up is amethyst. This calms your anxieties, finds tranquility, and trusts your intuition. So this would also be really great right now with everyone's anxiety going kind of crazy. These are just really beautiful crystals. I absolutely love them. They're so gorgeous. Rose quartz has always been my favorite crystal. This one heals from past hurt and opens your heart to self-love and the love of others. I have rose quartz all around my house. And the last one is the black tourmaline. I love the way this crystal looks. Absolutely stunning. This one purifies your thoughts and protects yourself from negative energy. Even if you're not into crystals, these are just absolutely beautiful bracelets. So I will leave a link in the description box down below. If you guys are interested, definitely check them out. They're absolutely stunning and they're really great quality as well. You guys will have to let me know if you do collect crystals, which crystal is your favorite. All right, so I have you put up right here in front of my kitchen window. I'm sorry if there's noise in the background. There's a lot of construction going on outside of my house right now, so apologies for that. But the first thing that I got is a Christmas item. Like I told you guys, I am so freaking excited about this item. One of the girls local to me has been posting purges so much over the last few days, and she posted one yesterday asking what people's ISO was for Christmas items. So it is the red Jingle Bells canister. I am so excited about this. So now I have the red Santa's cookies, red Merry Christmas, and then now the Jingle Bells. I absolutely love this canister. It is one of my favorites, so I'm very excited. She sold it to me for retail as well, so I'm so grateful for that. The other thing that I got is this really pretty vase. This was $12.99, and a girl actually picked this up for me when she was up in Denver. So this is the pink bloom vase. I know a lot of people have different opinions about these. I personally think they're very pretty. I am going to put some tulips in here. I have no idea where I'm going to display this in my house, but I'm very excited to have it. I love everything and anything pink. If you guys have followed me for a while, pink is my favorite color, so I'm very excited to have this. The next two things are actually for one of my friends, Lexi. She is getting into Rae Dunn. I have gotten so many people addicted to Rae Dunn, and she is one of them. So the first thing that I got for her is the Stay Positive mug. She has a little doggy of her own, and she really likes like the whole pet line. So Who Rescued Who, Stay Positive, and I'm totally blanking on the other one. Oh, and Fur Mama. She wants Fur Mama as well, but I missed that one for her. And then she also wanted a beans canister, so I picked this one up for her from one of my friends, Priscilla, but she asked me if I needed a beans canister, so I went ahead and picked this up for my friend Lexi. And then I just have two more mugs. Again, these are not mine, but I picked them up. This one is for my friend Tamika, and it says Morning Pumpkin. This mug is one of my favorites, so I'm glad that she got it. I actually have this mug in my room. I keep it up year round. I have it on one of my little tiered trays, and I just have it in there. I feel like it's fitting every morning I see it, and it says Morning Pumpkin. So I feel like it kind of just makes me smile every morning. This next mug, I've never seen it in person. I would never want it just because I'm trying to do better about collecting mugs and not having as many, but it is the Bless Your Heart mug, and I feel like this one is just so like passive aggressive. I feel like a lot of people, that's the reason why they're getting it, but I think it's cute. So that is it that I got for this little mini Rae Dunn haul. Like I said, I am so stinking excited about my Jingle Bells canister. I honestly cannot wait for Christmas. It's only March right now. We're almost in April. It's crazy. The world is such a crazy place right now, so I'm just looking forward to a simpler time back to normal. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and lay down for a little bit, honestly, and cuddle with the doggies since we've been kind of out for the last little while. And then we are going to do some organizing later. I'm going to tackle that crazy junk drawer. We're also going to organize my nail polish drawer as well, which I'm very excited about. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments down below what you guys are doing this quarantine and how you guys are handling it. I would love to have a conversation with you down there. All right, so here is the box from Polar Whale. They did send some more organizers over. So the first one is a nail polish organizer, which we're gonna do here shortly. This one can be used for honestly anything. I just went ahead and picked this one. And then this big one at the bottom is gonna be for my junk drawer downstairs, which I'm very excited about because you guys will see that is a hot mess right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this one, and then we'll head back downstairs to do the junk drawer. All right, so here is what the drawer currently looks like. It doesn't look horrible, but it also doesn't look great either. So we're going to start converting some of them to this organizer. I will leave a link down below for you guys to check out Polar Whale. My doggy wants to check it out. But you guys, if you haven't checked them out, you definitely need to. This has been such a lifesaver. I will link my previous organization video down below as well, so you guys can go watch that. I'm just gonna start moving some of these up so that I can actually put this organizer in there. right, y'all, so this is what the end result looks like. So definitely looks a lot better than it did before. As you can see right here on the sides, I just put some nail polishes that didn't fit, and then all of these are like top coats, and I have my white polish that didn't fit in there. But I think it does look a lot better. It definitely makes my OCD happy. I absolutely love these organizers, you guys. They are my favorite, which, speaking of nail polish, I painted my nails yesterday, and as you can see, that one is already chipped, so that's really great. These ones are still looking decently good. They haven't chipped yet, but yeah, this is why I don't paint my nails, because they chip within like 5 seconds of doing them. So we are back downstairs at the lovely junk drawer. I am excited, but not excited at the same time. I have not cleaned this out since I've moved in the house. I feel like I'm getting so many things done that I never would have gotten done if it wasn't for this quarantine, so I'm trying to see the positive in all of that, but this is what it currently looks like. It is a little messy and disorganized, if you can't tell. I am hoping that with the help of lovely Polar Whale, that this will help organize a decent amount of it. I need to probably get rid of a lot of stuff in here, just organize it differently. All right, y'all, so this is the finished product of the organized junk drawer. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. This is going to be great because I feel like it's an organized mess now. It looks so much better. So I have everything kind of put in their own little space here, which is nice. I feel like it looks so much better than it did. I have all my electronic stuff here, all my lighters, pens, scissors, all of like my tools, so my hammer and screwdriver. I did get rid of a lot. This is all stuff to throw out. I got rid of a lot of boxes. I emptied out a lot of stuff, like all my command hooks and my push pins, and I just put them in these little things because it looks, to me, a lot better, and it's easier to just grab from there. You will have to let me know down below what you guys think of the before and afters for this organizing. I am absolutely in love. I have been doing so much decluttering and organizing over this quarantine. You guys will have to let me know what you have done in your house if you have done that as well. If you did enjoy this video and you want me to do more quarantine vlogs, just go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, stay marvelous.